Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of BrowseInfo's POS product bundle based on Pricelist application. It lets you create and sell the combo product packs in Odoo POS based on the Pricelist rules. It can easily manage the dynamic product bundle that automatically adjusts the pricing and the pack items as per the selected price list. It is fully compatible with the both community and the enterprise version for the smooth POS operations. So for the first step here, I have already configured the database and now I'm just going with the sales module. Products, you can find one option for the product pack. So here I have already created one product pack. So for the prerequisite, you have to select one checklist. This is the product pack. After that, you have to go to the point of sale, and under that you have to add the categories for which you want to create the pack products. And after that, we have one option for the pack products. So from here, you can add the products you want to add in your product pack. So this is the basic configuration you can add for the pack products. Now I'm just going to the point of sale, and under the configuration I'm just going with the settings. So here you can find the POS product pack configuration. First you have to select to this to allow the product bundle pack. And here you also have one option for the create dynamic pack according to price list. If you want to add the multiple price list and add the discount for the particular products, so you can also do the same. So under the pricing, you have to set the available price list you want to set and also have to default price list. After that, I'm just going to the point of sale and continue with the selling. And here I'm selecting the pack product and now just going to select the customer and going to pay for the same. So here you can see our product pack is successfully ordered. After that, I'm just going to the back end and I'm selecting one order. So here you can see our product pack is successfully completed, and in the order all the items were reflected. The payment and the extra information will be reflected here. And in the pickings operation, you can also find our product. After that I'm just going to the configuration, and under the settings you have to select the price list which are available and you want to configure. After that, you just have to navigate to the dashboard and continue with the selling. And here I'm just going to select this product again, and under the actions tab, here you will find an option for the price list, and here I'm selecting the price list. So here you can see the price is reduced as we added the discount on the price list. So after that, I'm just going to select the same and proceed with the payment. So here you can see this order is also completed. So this shows how our module is working, and if you have any questions and queries regarding the same, please note down in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.